Get caught up in the rat race. Idiom. It means to become deeply involved in the endless competition for success, wealth, or status, often at the expense of personal well-being. It describes a fast-paced, stressful lifestyle where people feel trapped in a circle of work and ambition, with little time to relax or enjoy life. Many dream of escaping the rat race to pursue a simpler, more fulfilling existence. In simple terms, you work harder and harder, chasing success or money, but it feels like you are just running in circles. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Cheers for tagging along. Catch you next time. Bye.